Okay, hello guys. This is Lee speaking. Sourcingyuan. Yes, we team today. It's a fun day, hiking day. Baiyun Mountain is very famous in Guangzhou city. When you guys visit, to Cantonville, I highly recommend you come here to hiking. It's about 400 meters. It's not very tall, and it takes 1 hour, from the foot to the highest. So it's in our back. You can see this is Guangzhou Tower. Yes, Guangzhou Tower. Guangzhou Tower is very very famous. The biggest, the highest tower, highest building in Guangzhou city. When you guys come to Guangzhou, welcome you come, and we accompany with you guys to hiking the Baiyun Mountain and see the Guangzhou Tower here. Very beautiful. Yes, let's see you around.
Say hi.
Hello. Hello. Okay, that's it.